fix Snapchat My Eyes Only Not Loading? Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can fix your Snapchat My Only Eyes Not Loading. So if Snapchat My Eyes Only section is not loading or your photos are not showing, it can be frustrating. So here's a simple step that can troubleshoot and fix the issues. So first of all, you have to make sure that you have the latest version of your Snapchat. Make sure you are using the latest version of your Snapchat. Go to your Play Store or Apple Store and search for the Snapchat here. Once you have searched for the Snapchat, if there is any update available, then you have to update of your app. So sometime restarting the app also can resolve the temporary glitches. You have to close the Snapchat completely. So if you have opened up your Snapchat, then you have to completely close it and then again launch your Snapchat. Also, you can reboot your device. Restarting or rebooting your device can also fix temporary issues affecting the app. Also, you can go to your setting here and click on the app or manage app on your setting. And you have to simply search for the Snapchat on your search bar. Once you have searched for the Snapchat here, just go and clear the cache of your Snapchat. So the clearing cache won't work, then you have to delete your data, which can also resolve your issue caused by corrupted or outdated temporary files. Also, you have to ensure that you have this stable internet connection. You have to switch between your Wi-Fi to mobile data here. So here you can see that. Also, you can double check your My Only Eyes profile. Also, you can double check your passcode to log back in My Eyes Only passcode here. So you can also reinstall your app. You have to uninstall your app and reinstall it. Then you can also fix your issue by the help of this step. So with the help of this step, you should be able to troubleshoot and hopefully resolve the issues with Snapchat My Eyes Only section, not loading or photos not showing. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.